Hi ASHMAARIS, welcome back to the channel, and today I have a really good surprise for you guys. We are going on a grocery haul, so I'm gonna take you guys along with us, my family of 3, to go and do our weekly grocery haul, and hope you guys enjoy. As you guys can see, this haul is a little bit bigger, okay? There are some things that you guys do not see because they're in the fridge. So I did buy some chicken breast, boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and I also bought some chicken wings, and I got, what else did I get? Oh, and shrimp, of course. I love me some shrimp. It's kind of a little bit of a taste of home. Let's get started. So I have celery here. I use celery a lot when I'm making my dishes. A lot of times it's with soups, or we're going to be doing some snacks with some celery and carrots and some ranch dressing, which is yum yum. Now I'm making a stir fry. So the stir fry would have broccoli. Let's see what else. It's going to have cabbage, purple cabbage. It's gonna have zucchini, okay? It's gonna have red pepper. It's gonna have sugar snap peas. Just a range of variety of foods, but you guys can see. Okay, so where was I? All right, so sweet potatoes, yes, okay. Sweet potato muffins, delicious. I have regular potatoes, of course. I use that in different dishes, but I bought some of those because I was thinking about making some hash browns for like breakfast, and then sometimes, you know, we just eat a baked potato. So lovely. Now red pepper, obviously, romaine lettuce, of course. We have some ginger, okay, that's gonna go in the stir fry. I have some jalapeno because you know I like my guacamole. We have some bean sprouts. I'm making also a shrimp and chicken fried rice. So of course, you know, I gotta get that. We have to have our yogurt. I ran out of regular rice, and of course with the stir fry rice, you can't use, you know, any other rice other than that one. Pinto beans, of course, I have to restock. So again, you guys, this is not just like a regular weekly grocery haul. This is a grocery haul that I have to restock on some items and what we're going to be eating this week as well. So I had got some soybeans because I want to learn how to make my own soy yogurt, because my son, yes, he can eat all of that yogurt if you don't watch him. So we have, and then don't leave nothing for nobody else. So I gotta make sure, yeah, that I learn how to make it from scratch. We have organic sugar cane, or cane sugar, I should say. We have jasmine rice, and we have all-purpose flour that has been unbleached. So I got some strawberries, some beet broth. I have, what is this? What's this one? Okay, dark soy sauce, and I forgot to show you guys this too. I have, woohoo, light soy sauce, some sesame seed oil. Here's a tip. Sesame seed, even though I feel like light colored sesame seed oil is not really sesame seed oil. I may be, you know, I may be wrong, but that's how I feel about it. Okay. We have ketchup. It's supposed to be again, sesame seed oil to me is supposed to be dark, but you know, I may be wrong. Comment down below if I am. Unsulfured blackstrap molasses, and then I wanted to try this double fermented soy sauce. All right, bananas, and I had a taste for watermelon. So I got me some watermelon. Cilantro, of course, I already got it in the water and keep it in the fridge. It works very, very well. Lasts a whole lot longer. I got some aloe. Everybody knows about that aloe on why I got that. But I'm actually going to be working on consuming it. So look out for that. We have black beans, of course, our favorite blue corn chips, and our sweet corn. I will be making a salad, and it will have, it's like a Southwest salad, okay? And it's gonna be black beans with corn, tomato, red onion, let's see, and I'm making an avocado lime ranch dressing, so that's gonna be delicious. I had a taste for pineapples, crackers, of course. Sometimes we make tuna fish and we'll dip those in, you know, with crackers and things, so that's really good. Now, I had to fill up on the strawberry preservatives. Normally, I make my own, kind of like a jam. So, this other thing, super sweet corn. So, for salads or what have you, the super sweet corn would be great. And then I have sweet garden green peas. Again, when you're making stir fry rice, you need your green peas. And I already have carrots, so those carrots will be in there as well. So, good last look of the haul. Fantastic haul, can't beat that. All healthiness, just make sure that we cook with healthiness. I also got some butter. Yeah, I know that, you know, we're kind of like lactose intolerant, really, but I don't know, just real Ethiopian butter it smells so good and it tastes wonderful. It brings so much flavor to your dishes whenever you do use it. I think, you know, we're gonna eventually kind of like wean ourselves off of butter, but I try to use it in moderation, you know. As long as you do things in moderation to start off, I think there's nothing wrong with that. And then eventually, as long as you have a goal on where you're trying to, what are you trying to achieve and make it happen, hey, good to go. No judgment here. So, all right, you guys, you see the haul. The places that I did go to is LD, BJ's, 2 international markets out here where I stay, and that's about it. And this took me at least 2 days to do because, you know, I do work and things, but it took me 2 days to really get all of the things that I needed to get done. And I'm gonna show you guys my dishes and